to give awareness on World Organ Donation Day. Every year we celebrate World Organ Donation Day on 13th of August. So I want to call upon the future doctors with the quote, live your life after your death. Live your life after your death. Come and see the awareness and have the awareness and be a donor among one of them.
Be the reason for someone's smile today. Anyone can guess what this slogan explains about? Yes, it is World Organ Donation Day. Every year it is observed on 13th August. For this year, the theme is Be the reason for someone's smile today. This World Organ Day is observed because to help people understand the volunteering for organ donation can change many people's lives. Organ donation can be made at any age. We should donate organs under 18. We must have a parental and guardian care. Now my friends are going to tell about some of the main organs in our body. Brain, Shruti and Sridivya. Can you see this organ? Yes, it is brain. It is located in the head, in the skull. Brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, and every process that regulates our body. Brain helps in coordination process. We can donate brain when we don't have any disease.
Two types, leaf donation and cadaver donation. That means after the death of the person also they can donate the organ within time limit.
This is brain.
So some of our vital organs we can donate like brain, heart, kidney, cornea of eye, intestines.
Heart, Shreya. Can you see this organ? Yes, it is heart. It is located in the front of our chest. It is slightly on the left side of our body. It sits between our right and left lungs. It is a pumping machine which pumps the blood and oxygen around the body and delivers waste products like carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be removed. Not only heart, we can also donate the valves of the heart. Thank you.
Heart and even valves of heart also can be donated. Donation means giving to others. Recipient means who will receive the organs from others. And this process is called as transplantation. Transplantation of organs.
Pancreas, Sridivya and Satvika.
Pancreas is a gland which controls sugar levels in our body. Blood sugar levels in our body are controlled by the organ called as pancreas, which is present in the left side in the digestive system.
Pancreas has dual role. It is an organ of the digestive system and of the endocrine system. The exocrine pancreas produces enzymes that helps to digest food, particularly proteins. The organs should be donated within the limited hours. They are: liver should be donated within 6 to 12 hours. Intestine and pancreas should be donated within 6 hours. Kidneys should be donated up to 30 hours. Heart and lungs should be donated within 4 to 6 hours. Now our friends are going to explain about few organs. Cornea, Joshua.
The cornea is a transparent avascular tissue that acts as a structural barrier and protects the eye against infection. Cornea protects the eye from outside infiltrates and ultraviolet radiation emitted by sun.
Go inside there.
Kidney, Joshita. This is a kidney
If a person
Yeah, kidney failure.
If a person is suffering with kidney failure, we can donate our kidney. It's called kidney transplantation. So kidney is a major unit of filtration. Kidney is located in our lower abdomen. This is our kidney.
So when both the kidneys of a person fail, they can go with kidney transplantation. Donors should be from the close relative, like parents can give to their children, children can donate to their parents, and even close relatives can donate the kidneys. So kidneys are one of the major organs to excrete the waste in the form of urine. Okay.
Vinci liver.
Yeah, liver is the largest gland of our body, which is present like an umbrella in the right side. Okay, so this is also called as chemical factory of our body. Liver is called as chemical factory of our body, which will remove all the toxic substances from the blood.
Liver. The liver is the storage location for fat-soluble vitamins and cholesterol homeostasis. The liver regulates most chemical levels in the blood and excretes a product called bile. It is regenerating organ.
Blood. Shruti. Blood. Even we can donate blood also. Our blood groups are A, B, AB and O. Blood group of O is called universal donor, who can donate the blood to all. AB. Blood group is called universal recipients. They can take blood from all blood groups.
Okay, O is called as universal donors and AB is called as universal recipients. This is a common problem which we have, and even we become anemic or chronic anemic, we can take the blood from related groups. Not required, we should be relatives, from anyone we can take the blood.
Awareness about organ donation. Organ donation is a life-saving option to rescue many patients with end-stage organ failure from possible mortalities. Now our friends are going to show the instruments which are useful to check our vital, like blood pressure, glucose levels, etc. Stethoscope. Shruti A. It is a medical instrument for listening the action of somebody's heart or breathing. Lance Reynolds was a scientist who discovered the stethoscope. Mostly doctors use Litzman's stethoscope because it is composite, sensitive, lightweight and perfect for physical assessments. Thank you.
Yeah, here our children are going to give awareness about different instruments we are using and what the name as. So first what you have seen is stethoscope. This is used to check our heartbeat. Manually also we can check the heartbeat. Manually here as called as pulse rate. And even with the instrument also we can check, which is called as stethoscope, used to test our heartbeat.
Now sphygmomanometer. Satvika.
So this is the instrument used to check our blood pressure.
A sphygmomanometer is used to indirectly measure arterial blood pressure. Sphygmomanometer is also known as a blood pressure meter and blood pressure monitor. This kit is known as stress testing kit, also called as anti-sera kit. This kit contains 3 different types of anti-seras. They are anti-sera A, anti-sera B and anti-sera C. These anti-seras help us to identify our blood group.
So this is the instrument used to check our glucose level in the blood, called as glucometer.
A small device called a glucometer or glucose meter used to check our sugar levels in our body. Sugar levels in our body. If the sugar level is more than 160, it implies that he is suffering with diabetic mellitus. In these days, we use the digital one. This is the digital one.
So this is a digital glucometer which is used to check our glucose levels in the blood, and it is called as glucometer. Okay. Now next, which we are using. No one is using manually. That is a manual sphygmomanometer, and this is a digital sphygmomanometer. Okay, now thermometer. Thermometers are also two we are using. One is manual, the other one is digital one. Okay, so this is two devices which we use to check manual as well as digital to check our body temperature. Can you tell me what is the normal body temperature of a human body? Yeah. Okay. 98.7.
Thank you, teacher. So, my dear teachers and friends, we should take initiative in this and we should donate our organs. Give a second chance of life. It is in your hands. Live your life after your death. Thank you.
So be the reason for someone's smile today. Okay, sport will end.